feeling the tide rise. Your blood is my blood, your skin is my skin. Sister, my half, my twin. Sometimes I wanna go back. Just wanted you to know that. Seasons will change from sunshine to rain, but we will stay the same. Your pain is my pain, your wind is my wind. We will remain same. Sometimes I wanna go back. Just wanted you to know.
Good morning guys. Samahan nyo kami sa another car camping adventure. Samahan nyo kami, pupunta tayo ngayon ng Katanawan, Quezon guys. Doon tayo mag-car camping adventure. So from here, so 5 hours in travel natin. So let's go guys.
By the heart, fighting for a season, with sadness fall apart. Tell me not to worry, tell me to be strong, be my true reminder of where my love
Check muna natin yung hangin natin guys.
will be cutting.
Pahangin tayo kasi malayo yung biyahe natin.
Sketch, fire in the heart, flipping hearts around. We'll be changing all that's wrong. Baby, hold on, bring it on. We'll be running the
Basta.
show, bring it on. Take it all as we go, bring it on. Let's go, bring it on. Let's
Tayo sa biyahe.
bring it on tonight. Let me take you higher, reaching for the sky, sitting by the fire. Here we are at last. We'll be cutting edge, make a brand new sketch. Fire in the heart, flipping hearts around. We'll be changing all that's wrong. Baby, hold on, bring it on. We'll be running the show, bring it on. Take it all as we go, bring it on. Let's go, bring it on. Let's roll the dice. Bring it on tonight. Bring it on, bring it on. Bring it on tonight. Bring it on, bring it on.
Doon kami dumaan sa kabila. Sa kabila? Doon. May nakasalubong kami. Ayan, sa Baguio. Buti na may nakasalubong kami. Sabi nung hindi na kayo makakalabas yan pag pumasok pa kayo. Pero nagulis kami. Hindi Google.
Good morning.
Galing na namin sa Kagero campsite dito sa Katanawan, Quezon. So yun, medyo masama yung panahon kaya kailangan namin maghabol ng setup. So alas 7 na makulimlim kasi parang may bagyo ngayon. So tuloy pa rin tayo sa pagka-camp. So, hapon na kasama. Ito na yung setup namin. So tapos na kami mag-setup. Minadali lang namin kasi masama panahon. Mukhang uulan. Tapos dito yung kitchen namin. Yung black dog na dome yung ginamit namin. Saka black dog din na canopy. Partner sila ngayon.
That's a start, but watchers don't do, and doers don't watch. So let's get to it, let's get it done. You step it up a notch. We can do it, we can get it done. 'Cause we're doers, and doers don't watch. If I'm anything like you,
Luto ka na bro?
Oo.
Pusit tsaka pampano. Favorite. Ito yung limited edition ng pampano. So lagi yung asahan, meron kami lagi niyan. May farm kasi yung kasamahan ko niyan. Saing na tayo guys. Pang lunch natin. Beef caldereta naman yung menu namin. Ito yung partner ng pampano saka inihaw na pusit. Yun yung pagkain namin ngayon. Wow, caldereta.
Searching for something that ain't lost.
May kambing pa tayo bro.
Our lines cross. We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter. Back then, we couldn't afford to pay the price. We snuck in through the back, hearts racing as the lights went. Hold up, say hold up. Hold up. When did we grow up? When did we start moving so slow? We used to run, we used to blow. Hold up, just hold up.
Look out, here she comes. The woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know I have to try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before, but she will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, na-na, never know, na-na. She will never know, na-na, never know, na-na. She'll never know. It's like she stole my heart without knowing she did. But I guess that it will pass. Yeah, I can't be the only one who got lost inside the blue of those eyes. I've gotta let her go. I know
night guys. So, see you tomorrow. Sa ilaw. Kasi yung campsite, nag-provide naman sila ng ilaw. Maliwanag naman dito sa may beach front. So, maliwanag yung area. Safe tayo. Tara guys, pahinga na. Good night. Good morning. Lakas ang hangin. Malakas ang hangin guys. Dahil may bagyo kasi ngayon, yung bagyong Ana. Magdamag, ang lakas ng hangin. Buti walang ulan. Ito yung dagat, low tide. Tapos yung tent namin kagabi, nalaglagan ng palapa ng nyug. Ito, nilaglagan kami, gulat kami, gising kami. Kape muna tayo. Oops. Sarap magkape dito sa beachfront.
He's sitting on the driveway, thinking about the past day. It could have gone better. It could have gone better. His father comes out with a beer. He says, son, don't just sit out here. Go get her. Go get her. 'Cause you know love's got a lot of moving parts, from unknown brand and May. Let's make a night to remember. Let's celebrate from now till forever. This time we'll make a night to remind us we only have one life, gotta live it out loud. In another time, in another place, we could be lovers that can be replaced. But I still believe this time we got something, something. We'd pave the way on the other side, while making plans to live the good life. But something is better than nothing at all. Don't you know that if you walk away, nothing ever change? Hear me when I say let's
yung ano dito, pag magka-camp kayo, si Sir yung mag-entertain sa inyo dito. Siya yung maganda yung campsite, tahimik.
At marami po salamat po na nakarating po kayo dito.
Thank you din po at nakapunta kami sa area niyo. Nag-enjoy kami kahit saglit lang. Sana makabalik.
생각 따위는 더 어려던 하루만이야 I don't care, no I don't care about tomorrow Live fast, die young, why grow up if we can't have fun I just wanna be forever young Forever young Forever young Forever young
May nadaan tayong mga limango. Tingnan natin. Alimango bro. Meron? Ayun bro, baka gusto mo. Ayun, mga limango dito sa tabing kalsada.
kilo kuya?
Ayun, pwede na yan. Ito boss ay 450. Ito 350. Mga babae din to.
Babae talaga po.
Ito?
Lahukan po.
Wasn't born to be a fighter, aiming higher, where the air feels lighter. When I saw myself inside another, then I knew what I had to do. No, I needed to fight for you. Ears turn words into
Guys, mamili muna tayo ng isda dito. So pag magka-camp kayo dito banda sa Quezon, dumaan kayo dito sa Dalhecan Fishport. Maraming isda mabibili dito. So tara, let's go. Samahan nyo kami. Ito guys, yung fishport dito sa Dalhecan. So mamili tayo ng isda. Tingnan natin yung mga isda dito bago tayo umuwi ng Manila. Sana may mabili pa tayong isda. Tanghali na rin kasi. So, let's go. Swab.
Problema, edi pensa na.
Wala ka na nga dyan. Hinugatan mo na lang.
Dito sa dulo yung tumpukan yung bilihan ng isda dito. Tingnan natin kung meron pa.
20 lang po kalahati kuya, 140 lang. Sarap po yan.
Ayan. Wala na. Tanghali na tayo guys. Mami. Ay, bisugo sa
Nabibili ka?
Guys, ito yung masarap na bilihan ng inihaw na isda dito sa malapit sa Dalhecan Fishport. So pag napadaan kayo dito, bumili kayo dito. So tingnan natin kung anong. Ayan yung isda dito na masarap. So pag napagawi kayo ng Lucena, bumili kayo nito. Ito 650. Kasi ito 500.
50 itong tatlo, 500 yung isa. Tapos ano naman to kuya? Hundred na lang yan. 12.
Hati na lang kami, wala na yung maliliit eh. Gataan mo yan bro.
Oo, yan na tayo. Kukunutin tapos kaya tayo sa tao dito.
Yung binigay pala sa akin, dala ko yung ano yan eh.
Oo nga.
Yung kawayan, oh.